What if you could transfer phone calls on the high-level desktop app and the mobile app to team members that didn't have phone numbers? This is a new feature which allows you to transfer these calls to someone even if they don't have a phone number added on their profile. So it can transfer just through the app. This is super cool, so let me show you how it works. First thing, you need to make sure that this is actually turned on at the agency level in Labs. So go to the agency level, go to Settings, Labs, and then click Sub Account. And then you will see, if you search up Transfer, the transfer call to any device a teammate uses. As long as this is on, then you will be good to go. Then you can go to the sub account level, go to Settings, and then Staff, and then you can go to Edit a User. Then under the call and voicemail settings, this is where you can configure and make sure that forward calls is turned on to all their devices between web app, mobile app, phone number, and desk phone. As long as this is set up, then you can go ahead and click voice calling. And then right here, while you're on a call, you'll see the blind transfer and warm transfer buttons. So these are what allow you to transfer to another team member. So we can try both of these. We can click blind transfer, and then you'll see all of your users will show up in this blind transfer section. This will only load for people that have actually logged into the desktop app. And then you can simply click transfer and end. You can also go back to the dialer, click warm transfer, and you can again click one of the users. And then what this does is this allows you to put them on hold. It calls the user, and this allows you to kind of introduce the caller while you're on the call before actually transferring them. So the blind one is more immediate, and then the warm transfer one goes on hold. So if we do hold, then this will go ahead and hold and call them. And then whenever you're ready, once the other person has picked up, then you can click merge now. Now, if they're not available, then warm transfer works great. If they are available, then blind transfer just immediately sends them there. And that's how it works. You can use that with users that don't have an actual phone number on their contact. So you can use this with any user inside of your agency, which means basically as long as you have your device open, this turns into a complete call center basically. So you can manage all of your calls using this feature between yourself and all your team members. Of course, if you have any questions about this, just drop a comment on this video or check out the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.